Hi, my name is Ponuk Vijay. I'm pursuing third year in engineering science. The topic is integration of renewable energy into the smart grids, challenges and its key efforts. So the the electricity which are getting to the grid is mainly due to from the fossil fuels, which may be scarce in the future, and the cost of this may be increased. And additionally, there is and by this fossil fuel there is a damage to the environment, so we can depend on the renewable energy which is environment eco-friendly, and setting up of this renewable energy renewable energy is cheap, so we can integrate this renewable energy into smart grid and we can get better results. Let us see. Available renewable energy resources: solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, bioenergy, tidal energy, geothermal energy. This is low cost and they are eco-friendly. Energy sources: installed generation capacity as on 31st August 2021. The fossil fuel generation share is almost 64%, and renewable energy is almost 38%. Let us see the challenges in this renewable energy sources. The variability, the electricity produced is not constant. It is due to consider the solar plant. There can be a bad weather. There can be many clouds which can decrease the electricity from the solar plant. So the electricity will not be constant. It will change with respect to time. See here the electricity produced, which is very which is varying the time. So by this we can have fluctuations in the voltage and fluctuations of frequency. And another problem is uncertainty and decrease frequency. So the every from hour to hour there will be increase and decrease in the load. So the electricity should also be tapped with this peak load, where you should increase in with the increase in peak load, decrease in peak load, which cannot happen in this renewable energy case. Then other factors, geographical factors, where in some places we can set up the solar panels. Example, we can set up solar panels in desert. We can get a huge amount of power from it. So, and consider a place which is prone to more rainfall. The setting up of the solar power plants there, it can be futile. It will not give any result. Next, renewable energy sources solutions to the challenges. So why did they spread our resources? So instead of having solar plant solely at one place, we can have many solar plants at different places where the weather will be different. So the combined solar energy plants, which can be less variable and can be less fluctuating. So consider this, there are these dotted lines are the solar and energy plant, and this is the combined solar energy from this dotted lines. So this energy can be less variable, and it have less which has less fluctuations. And forecasting weather, and we can by knowing the weather before, how is the weather, by how is the wind, how is the climate, by we can know how much electricity can be produced from the wind energy, how much electricity can be produced from the solar energy. So we can we can shift to thermal energy, also renewable energy based on that. Now, smart design of the grid. So the smart design helps when to make a decision when the energy from the renewable energy is less. We can depend on thermal energy as well as renewable energy. When the energy comes from the renewable energy is more, then it can solely depend upon the renewable energy. When the energy is even more, then we can store it in the batteries. So see here, the solar output from it is more than the customer load. So where this excess energy can be stored in the storage batteries. Now, energy storage and mobile energy supply. The excess electricity can be stored in the mobile this storage batteries. So consider a tidal energy plant where the electricity cannot be transmitted to which transmission electricity could be very difficult. So in that case, we can store the electricity uh, in the batteries. For example, pumped hydrogen battery, which can store bulk amount of electricity. So we can use these batteries as the distribution. In future, we are going to have many electric cars. It will be an ideal situation there. So by this integration of the renewable energies in smart grid can be very helpful. These are the differences. Thank you.